Wow. Nice message. Extreme caution. Not for the faint of heart. Short and sweet. The settlers depended on Sweet Creek's steady flow for their survival. They drank from its depths, caught trout below its falls, and turned its water onto the gardens and pastures. In 1913, they contracted with Apple Brothers, a local logging company, to cut cedar poles from their properties. The company built a log flume stretching nearly 3 miles up Sweet Creek. Over the next 2 years, the stream flushed thousands of poles down the flume to the river, where they were barged, crossed, and hauled up the steep bank by an endless chain hoist to Apple's spurs on the railroad. Russell Anschel grew up on Sweet Creek Homestead before 1910. Separating our ranch and the Hamlins, he recalled, was a beautiful waterfall known as Sweet Creek. It came down over the hills and rocks and formed a creek teeming with brook trout. Schoolmistress Lucia May Stone, searching for a homestead with good hay and timber, where the air was like wine, fell in love with Sweet Creek. She bought a half-built homestead 2 miles up from the Penn Orville River. Not sure if that's wind in the distance or the actual river. We're going to find out in just a moment. Pretty well packed snow. A couple spots where people have fallen in, but not too bad. Here in the summer. A little much on the snow there to eat there right now, though. Absolutely beautiful, man. These trees are so tall. They're so tall, man. It's just, these are ridiculous compared to Colorado. And these are just absolutely massive, guys. Massive trees. Woo! There was a hole. Plenty of feeding spots if you can't get one of those first tables in the summer, guys. Wow, nice message. Extreme caution. Not for the faint of heart. Oh my. Definitely not for the faint of heart. That's kind of me. That definitely triggers my vertigo right here. This is, yeah, that's just a sheer cliff. I mean, I guess people have been trying to walk down there and walk up that. Maybe we'll go down there in a second. Woo! Stop making all that noise, Evo. Oh, nuts. Somebody followed me with a light. That's cool. We got a camera or a phone?
It doesn't go too far.
That's fine. I just, it's pretty dark, so. Nice little cave, guys. Almost tall enough for me to stand up in here. Hopefully you guys can see. Small little cave. Good place. You can sleep out here. Need somewhere to stay for the night. No one might know. Hopefully nobody visits the area. If you are here in the winter, this is very icy at the entrance. Back out to the cave. Oh no, and then my boots are waterproof, so I'm really not worried. Woohoo! I love waterfalls, guys. Woo! I just broke that whole piece. That broke under my feet. Oh, looks like Steve broke that piece off, or we all did. The photographer, hard at work. Pretty cool, guys. Highly recommended. Slow bridge. I know, you're short enough to walk under it, aren't you? Oh, there's even a bench. There's a bench there, if you couldn't tell. What is she doing? Having fun. Well guys, that's the waterfall here, about 10 miles from the Canadian border. Woo! I'm gonna just troop all over the snow here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to send a comment if there's a place you think I should go. Otherwise, talk to you guys later.